Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to change payment method on Wegmans.com. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Enter Wegmans.com in the search box and search. Now, make sure to log into your Wegmans.com account by entering your correct credentials. Go ahead and select any product you'd like to purchase and add it on your shopping cart and continue to the checkout. Here I'm gonna open up my shopping cart where I've already added some of the items. Now once you are in this page, click on Get to Checkout to end up in the checkout section. In the checkout page, you'll need to go ahead and enter some of your information such as your personal details, shipping address, choose your delivery method, and after you are done with it, click on Continue. You will then need to go ahead and enter the payment information. If you've already added a payment information, you can go ahead and continue with that particular payment method, or if you want to go ahead and add a new card, look for this Add a New Card option. Apart from that, you can also use the EBT Snap card, which will be able to purchase the items and apply gift cards for Wegmans. To change your payment method, you can select the Add a New Card option, and once you do that, you'll now need to fill in the rest of the card's information. Enter your card holder's name in the first text box, enter your zip code on the next, and enter the card number you are trying to change your payment method for. You'll also need to fill in the card expiry dates and the security code for the card. After filling in all of the credit cards or your debit cards information, click on this Save in Profile button and then verify that you are not a robot by going through the CAPTCHA. Finally, click Continue in order to save the payment method for your Wegmans profile. Follow through the prompts till the end, and that's how you should be able to change your payment method on Wegmans. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.